He's been doing that since we've been here.
Yeah, that's ever since you showed up, right?
You like that, Maddie?
Did it? You said he started doing that since he showed up? I think it's because he doesn't like you very much. He wasn't doing that before you showed up.
Now.
Yeah, but he did it as soon as you started showing up.
Show Grandpa.
Grandpa, watch this.
He's getting up a good one.
It's been a day and almost.
He's hawking up a good one.
Scared Skylar.
You want to get closer to it?
Yeah.
Might be spit at.
Y'all might get spit on.
I ain't gonna be close.
Did he get you?